happy place. That is in Ooty. I am here from quite some time, like about 2 weeks. I didn't vlog much because I really wanted to not vlog. I mean, I was not in the mood, and every day I will be like, today I'll vlog, tomorrow I'll vlog, day after. I never did it. Today I'm like, I'm going to start vlogging today. So I want to give you an update as to what all happened past few weeks. So I will share that with you in some time. But if you're following me on Instagram, you'll definitely know what's happening and everything. So if you're not following my Instagram, you will come to know out here. And if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram because I update a lot out there. And it's early morning now. I got up at 7, but finally got out of the bed at 7:45. Then I got a beautiful morning view. The view out here is so good. It's so good, like zabardast. And then I published it on Instagram. By the way, babies, yesterday I cut my hair. I needed a trim, okay, but I had to cut quite a bit. Why? I'll tell you in some time. The thing is, few months back, wait, I'll just keep my camera here instead of holding it. Few months back, like my hair got terribly knotted somewhere here, or I don't know where. It was like a bunch that got knotted here while taking hair bath, and I just couldn't detangle it. It was a miserable big fat knot, and I tried my best but in vain, so I had to chop it off. So there was like a bunch out here, I don't know where, which was short and uneven. So I had long strands out here, which was here, and then I had some short hair out here, then again long hair. It was very uneven and not healthy looking. Of course, the hair looked very long and very nice, and after I straightened it was very long, so it looked pretty. But I knew that this disaster had taken place few months back, and it's not good. Like when I touch my hair, I used to feel like hardly any hair here, and then long strands here, which looked very uneven and pathetic. So that's why I wanted to get a haircut from quite some time, which no one allowed me. Actually, mom said, no, your hair is grown. Because what happens in curly hair is that, you know, when the hair grows, it takes a long time to actually show because it's shrunk, right? You can see the shrink, it's shrunken up. So you don't literally come to know how long the hair is unless I straighten it, which I do once in a while. So mom is like, it's looking long after so long, otherwise it will not look long. And my bestie, everyone didn't want me to cut my hair, but yesterday I was like, I need to cut because hair looks pretty healthier now, feels much healthier. It's of course very short, but it feels much better than what it was before, because I knew the disaster what I went through here, like somewhere, I don't know where, a big bunch I had to cut. I cut quite a bit of the hair. So yesterday I cut my hair and I'm feeling very good about it, and it looks nice. So I'm going to start vlogging, and I hope I stick by it. Even if it's small, I want it to be there on YouTube, especially as a memory that I spent out here in Ooty, which is such a blessing. And I would like to update everything what happened past few weeks, so I'm going to start in some time. Before that, let me just go up and see what's there for breakfast and what's happening up. I'm right now down baking in the sun. Not much actually, there's a cloth kept here to protect me from the sun, but yeah, so let's go. What are you doing, baby? Tell hi.
Hi.
Where are you? Tell hi.
Hi.
What is that bottle?
Doodh wala bottle, but no doodh.
No doodh? Where's the doodh?
I would put it directly in the water.
Show your doodh. So we got doodh today, na?
Want to see the bottle? The cow.
What's special about the bottle?
There's a cow.
You tell me what is, from where did you get the doodh?
Doodh wala got it.
Oh, so you
It's
already...
boiling here.
Okay. So you come...
And potatoes for
So you
sabudana
came today, or?
khichdi. Yeah.
Okay. So baby, aren't we going roaming today? Huh?
Where you want to go roaming?
I wanted to show everyone the secret beautiful place.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Then we'll get moon also. Or maybe 29th also. Full
No,
moon.
I want to shoot here at this place for the moonrise.
Which place?
Our place.
Why?
Because that effect is very
That
nice.
effect will be better. 1 hour before you get it here, it will come there. You can do here the next day.
Okay, one day before also I can do
One day
here.
before, one day after.
Okay, this very beautiful place which I want to show you, babies, for especially sunset. It's a little bit outskirts of Ooty and it's very, very beautiful. And I want to show it to you. I've already gone before and I don't know if I've vlogged it, but this place is really good. So I wanted to show it to you with the details if you really want to visit this beautiful place. So now let's go ahead. I have to shoot my morning skincare routine also today. So babies, I'll show you this water sprinklers which come every morning. I mean, you can see it. Look at this. Wow, it looks so beautiful. It's damn sunny though, and I haven't done my morning skincare yet. Pretty. Sky looks so good. Very sunny. The sun is so dangerous actually because it literally burns my skin. Hey baby, what are you making?
Sabudana khichdi. Oh, I think I put this afterwards.
Yummy.
But don't show any procedure. Get out from here.
What?
People will have lots of comments. So it's ready. Put on a nice plate and show, not like this.
This is how my sabudana khichdi looks. Now I'm going to go outside, take a video and post it on Instagram. So let's have this. So salty.
What happened, Coco?
Why is it like this?
What happened?
Salty.
Come and mix it and give you nice.
And kacha also, I think.
Bring out the coconut. Not nice.
Very nice.
It's soft, but I think it got soaked too much time.
But I don't want this. Sorry. So now I'm gonna have some dry fruits, a mixture of almonds, figs, dried figs, walnuts, and kismis. Chal baby, what is the plan now?
Bonfire plan.
Bonfire.
You know what is bonfire?
No, explain please.
Bonfire is a bonfire.
So let's begin with the bonfire. So babies, we got some extra geranium, dried geranium, cypress, which we are all going to be adding in here, making a bonfire. Mummy, ये क्या है? Very windy and dangerous. You know what, babies? It's so hot right now. The sun is literally so hot. This bonfire should be done first of all in the evening. Yeah, but this heat is good na heat ki upar heat. It's so sunny. Why are you just standing like this? You're gonna get tan like crazy. Ye kya Oh, my eyes are burning now. It's so windy and horrible. Kya hua budhiya? Oh, look at the bonfire. And it's pretty hot right now.
And I want to put this now.
What are you going to put?
Courier is coming.
Yeah, one courier of mine has to come.
Mobile.
We're adding in some cypress. There's lots of smoke. Why so much smoke, Mummy? That's my mom's fart. You ate the sabudana?
Little bit.
You ate?
Little bit.
Why?
Eat. Oh, can you see the strawberry flower?
Ah, my eyes.
This is strawberry flower.
Where?
There, big one,
Which is a flower? Okay, this one.
white one,
Oh.
and here small ones.
What is the meaning of strawberry flower?
This is the flower and this is the strawberries. And
Oh.
more strawberries.
Superb.
I have to take it and keep it up somewhere.
So guys, I'll go up and try to show you effect from top. Let's see. Now what are you doing, lady?
Cleaning the strawberry buds.
I'm going now. My eyes are burning.
Now I'm using all this putting plastic.
The bad thing is I haven't done my daytime morning skincare. That means there's no sunscreen on my face, which is bad because how is this locked on me? Because I wanted to shoot my morning skincare routine for YouTube. I think I'll do that later, maybe tomorrow. Because whatever I need to do my skincare because it's done sunny and I burned my skin here many times and I don't want to burn it again. So I think I'll do fatafat and I'll record it some other time. The sun is super bad here, guys. Sun is there in Mumbai also. It's there everywhere. But here now, because we are at the peak, more height, the sun literally burns our skin superbly. Like face starts scratching and something happens. So babies, I got done with my skincare routine, the morning skincare routine, and I shot it too. And then I did put on some makeup because I need to shoot more videos like description, intro of the skincare. And now it's around 12 o'clock. I'm going to be having almond milk. This is homemade almond milk with 1 banana and coconut sugar. Yum. And I even got one parcel. I had ordered it from Amazon. I'll just show it to you. Hey baby, what are you doing?
I'm making fertilizer, natural organic fertilizer for the plants.
With what? Bananas?
Banana peel, chai patti. Now some eggshells will also come.
And what's this? Mud.
That is just
Now what are you doing there?
oh, this has to be removed. I've got dahlias inside. Kidhar gaya? Dahlias.
Show your face straight on mom and she's looking amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. So babies, I'm trying to make kebabs for evening, like snacks. So I marinated it. I'm not sure about the recipe, that's why I didn't record it. This is the first time I'm making it. So not recording it. Then I cleaned the kitchen a little bit. And I kept the mince with the marination in the fridge. I'm making after sunset. Now it's time for some lunch. Mom's made some mutton curry, kappa, and pumpkin coconut rice. This is how my lunch looks like. So babies, I came to another room. Mom is still out there in that room. I'm here. I'm going to study a little bit and just write down certain stuff which I have to write. At least study for like an hour. That's all I'm going to do now. So I had ordered 2 body lotions from Mama Earth through Amazon. One vitamin C and the other one I have no idea actually. Mom told me to order. I just ordered it. Turmeric, I'm not too sure. So vitamin C came. And yesterday I got a mail saying it got delivered the next order, which didn't come. And today my lip balm came. I mean the lip and cheek tint. So I thought that body lotion is coming. But it was not the body lotion. It was the lip and cheek tint. So I don't know where is my order. I put the complaint yesterday only when it didn't get delivered. I spoke to my delivery guy also. He said he'll let me know, but he's not let me know till now. Hey babies, I'm back at this house. Don't know what's the issue. Vodafone is having a lot of issues today. The network just goes boom. So I came back here because I need the Wi-Fi. So now I'm going to start with the kebab. So babies, this is the mince which is marinated for a couple of hours. So you're getting ready. These are stuffed with cheese. These are the kebabs. Babies, I made all this. So the fat ones are like stuffed with cheese. Others are normal seek. My first try came out quite good. Next time I need to check out with the shape has to be good. Looks nice. So now we're not going to eat this. We ate a little bit, but this is going to be for dinner. Mom's going to make like a Frankie roll. Mom wanted the lip balm, so I gave her the lip tint and see how she put it.
So funny.
Of course, reminds me of me putting makeup for my niece. So babies, it's 6:15 now. I'm just going for a mini quick walk because I need to do some exercise. You opening? Huh?
I kept all the keys, no?
Yeah, except that room ka. Get this view, babies. Look at the sky. Wow. So babies, I just came home at 7:30. Did you get worried?
No.
So what happened is I just met a neighbor and I was ending up, and I ended up chit-chatting with him for like an hour or something, and then I realized Vodafone ka network to hai nahi. Mommy will not get me. Then how was I feeling? Tell.
Nice feeling. I was going to go to police station.
For what? For what?
To complain my daughter missing.
So now we are planning to have a bonfire. Mom will make some parathas and we'll have it with the Sikh and we'll enjoy and date each other. You make the parathas first, na?
Saying, how are we going to go down?
How are we going to go down, matlab?
Make it all and then
Pack it and then we'll go down.
So all that is your work.
Okay, so let's begin. This is which paratha, Ami? The one which you make always? The sweet one? Yummy.
Ghee now here.
This is really yummy, guys. I shall make a video on this if you want to know this recipe. It's too tasty. It's sweetish. And it is amazing with spicy kebabs. Or anything spicy.
Ooh.
Oh.
How's the song background?
Oh my god, I hope I don't get some copyright issues. There's a temple out here, guys, which plays really loud music. They woke us up like at 6 today.
Can you move from
Oh. So this is what, like lacha parathas?
I don't know.
What should I name this? Guys, let me know in the comments. Like, what should I name this roti? We call it what, Ammi? Parathas, na? Fried parathas. Tasty fried parathas. Bachpan se we have been eating this. What is it? Fried parathas? Yeah, we call it fried parathas. Yummy.
2 each?
Yeah, 2 each.
Okay, I'll keep it, I think, no?
Yeah.
Make it tomorrow or something.
So, in the meat fat, I'm going to be adding in the kebabs again and making it hot in this fat. Yummy fat. What are you
I'm
doing?
keeping this for tomorrow.
So, when should I remove this, Ammi?
Turn it faster.
Some more time, no?
Sure.
Turn the kebab. Ammi, fire is less only, na?
Now I'm going to do this.
Want this nice and hot.
These are only be kadak. I don't know how we'll roll it like a...
That's what I'm saying, can't roll it.
Not really.
Like what I said. Break it, eat it with the... So babies, I just got the parathas, Sikh, plates, water, wood. Now mom is coming. She's getting chutney and onions. Now we're gonna have the bonfire, babies. So daytime we had one bonfire. Now another one. Come on, baby.
No?
Yeah, are you excited?
Oh, yeah. The matchstick lights.
Oh, I hope it just lights and becomes nice and warm because right now it's cold. It's ready. Let's hog now, baby. Wow, yummy dinner with the bonfire. Yummy.
जल्दी जल्दी खा ले बेटी.
Yes, baby.
नहीं तो it will become like rocks.
just got done with dinner and was yummy, and this bonfire is keeping us so warm because it's literally very cold outside, but this is keeping us amazingly hot. How is your feeling, baby?
Nice feelings. Warm.
Warm?
Warm. Where am I?
Somewhere.
Suppose that falls in the fire.
Please, yeah.
I'm sure you.
It's so nice, babies. It's so cold, and this heat. It's everything. Feels amazing. Mom just went, but I don't want to leave this heat. It feels great. Babies, hey babies, got done with my nighttime skincare routine, washed face. I literally have no energy. I am so sleepy. Very tired. That bonfire was amazing. It was such a blessed day to have an amazing night with mommy. Bonfire, amazing food, drinks. It felt really good. Had a blessed day. So I'm signing off right now because I'm really sleepy. It's 10:15. Mom is going to watch Big Boss. I have no strength for Big Boss. I'm going to sleep because we got up at like 6:30 because of the sound from the temple. It was really loud, and I'm sure tomorrow again it's going to be there. So I better sleep early. So I hope you like this vlog, and if you like my vlogs, let me know. It'll just motivate me. So see you later in another video very soon.